Hi everyone, I'm Lindsey Zan and I wanted to share something really exciting with you today. I received a dress from Kiky Adam in the mail and I wanted to share with you what the dress looks like. I actually don't know what this dress looks like. I had Kiky Adam design a special dress for me and I wanted him to create something that he was inspired by. So I'm really excited to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, first it is in a nice little bag. Comes with a little thank you card with all of Kiky Adam's social media information, which is good. He's actually really active on Instagram. That's how I first got in touch with them. And then he also uses WhatsApp. And so you can work with them to talk about shipping and the design requirements and send in your measurements all on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm really excited. It's lots of bright colors. Ooh, it's like a teal color. Ah! Okay, you guys know I love dresses, and this one is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, okay. So let me hold it up. It's this beautiful teal color with like fuchsia embroidering. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to put it on and see what it looks like. Look at the back. It's a nice open back. And the beautiful arm embroidery with all the sequins and beading. This is what is really iconic of Kiky Adam stuff. And then on this side, there's like a draped slit action going on in the skirt. And the skirt has all these beautiful sparkles to it. I'm really excited to see what it looks like on the stage and all the performance lights. I'm so excited. Thank you, Kiky Adam, for making me an exclusive dress. If you're interested in looking at any of their other dresses that they have, you can go to kikyadam.com.